Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of software testing tool introduction, today I'll talk about LoadRunner. As you know, LoadRunner is one of most popular and famous software performance testing tool which is owned by OpenText. LoadRunner has three components. One is VUGen, another one is controller, another one is analyzer. So in VUGen, you can create your script, enhance the script by doing parameterization, correlation, control flow statement, and all other setting related you can do in VUGen. Once your script is ready in VUGen, then you can take that script to the controller. So controller, you can set up your scenario for running your software performance test, like how many user it could be, then which server or needs to be monitored, which application server needs to be monitored. All the setting you need to do in controller. Once everything is ready, then you can run your test in controller. Once your run is completed, then you will get a performance test result. You can take that test result to the analyzer, and analyzer will help you to analyze the test result and creating software performance test report. Based on test report, you can figure it out software bottleneck if there is any, and also if there is any degradation for software performance. Those will help you for software development process. So LoadRunner is as I mentioned, it is owned by OpenText. It's a license tool, but for learning purpose or verification purpose or trial purpose, you can take that from their official website for 30 days trial version. That will help you for learning LoadRunner. I believe those who are new in software performance testing as well as using LoadRunner, this video will help you for introduction part of LoadRunner. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.